Park! Oh, we can just walk to Optus Stadium, 1.2 km. 15 minutes walk.
Yeah, but
Here.
why would we want to?
That's good exercise, bro. That's good exercise. Oh, we can cross the bridge, I think, from here. Oh, there's also another bridge here, but not that fancy.
12 minutes walk to Optus Stadium.
Yep, let's do it.
Hi guys, we're here at, I forgot where we are, Claysbrook Cove. So it's a park in East Perth, just right across Optus Stadium, the newly built stadium. Well, it's not really new, but pretty new.
Maybe a year or a couple of years.
2 years back,
Yeah,
2-3 years,
When it's
thereabouts.
I'll have a watch here. I think there's this a watch thingy at the end. Oh, you can actually go down. Oh, the kid is peeing. Oh, look at the bridge. Oh, someone left a barbecue here. Yum. Must be a Filipino. Oh, there are kids swimming in the river. Let's go down. Totem Granite. Stones. And this is the river. Cannot see the bottom. It's like dark. Probably worth walking there. Bridge. Let's give it a try. Yeah, we can definitely go biking. Enter that way. And go here. Cross the bridge. No authorized jumping, no authorized swimming, climbing, and fishing. Oh, you're gonna go fishing. Oh, look at these guys. Nice, eh? Let's go to the other side. That's crown front. Matagarup Zip Plus line. Oh, there's a zip line. Look, that's the Harbour Bridge in Sydney. So definitely the geometry came from the Harbour Bridge. Nice. So where is the zip line? Ah, that one. Going there. It's not going to the stadium. Oh, and there's a platform and there going to the other side. There. That's the zip line. Oh, it's a nice place, guys. Definitely you can just go biking. There is the Optus Stadium. Yes, nicely done, Perth. What's that here? Nice development. Gate, Chevron, parking, bus and train, walk boards, outfield. I think it's a bar or something. Okay. Gate D. This is where you can buy your tickets. I think this thing goes around the stadium. that's the train station, I think. And what is this one? West. Ah, alright. This one is going to west. So that's the train station for west. The other one is going to east. Eastbound train. Alright, that makes sense. They're on both sides. Gate A and Gate B.
which is what we call the fundamentals. So it's like based on blue chips. But there's like based on candlesticks, there's other stuff.
That's it for our video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button. Always remember to keep the faith and go for it. See you in my next vlog.